I'm going to teach you how to automate Trello with Zapier, step by step. If you use Trello to manage tasks, projects, or workflows, connecting it to Zapier can save you hours each week. You'll be able to create cards from forms or emails, move cards between lists based on triggers, notify your team in Slack or email when something changes, and keep projects organized without constant manual updates. Think of Zapier as the engine that turns your Trello boards into a fully automated workflow hub. Let's start by connecting Trello to Zapier. Log into your Zapier account, click Create, and choose Zap. In the Trigger or Action search box, type Trello and select it. Zapier will prompt you to sign in and authorize access. Choose your Trello account, click Allow, and you're connected. Once you see Trello listed as a connected app, you're ready to build automations. Next, use Trello as a trigger to kick off your Zap based on activity in your boards. Choose Trello as the trigger app and select the event you want, such as a new card, a card moved to a list, or a card updated. Click Continue. Pick your Trello account and select the board you want. Zapier to watch. If it makes sense, narrow it down to a specific list. Then click Test Trigger so Zapier can pull in sample data. This quick check ensures Zapier understands the board structure and will fire when that event happens. You can also use Trello as an action, which means another app triggers the Zap and Trello response. Add an action step, search for Trello, and choose what you want Zapier to do, like create a card, add a comment, or move a card to a different list. Select your connected Trello account, pick the board and list, and then map fields from your Trigger app into Trello. For example, set the card name, description, or due date based on the incoming data. Use Test Step to confirm the card appears exactly how you expect before going live. When everything looks good, click Publish or Turn On. Your Zap is now active, and Trello will create, move, or update cards automatically whenever your chosen trigger fires. To make this concrete, every new Google Forms submission can create a Trello card in your to-do list, labeled and ready to assign. New Gmail messages with a specific label can become follow-up cards so nothing slips through the cracks. And when a card moves to Done, Zapier can send a message to a Slack channel to keep your team in the loop.